Hello, beautiful people. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a little mindset trick. There are people who are master manifestors who can manifest anything easily and very fast. And then there are people who cannot manifest. And even if they manifest, it takes them a long time to do so. And it's kind of hard and all those things, right? So I call it the what if technique. And those who were there in my YouTube live, you guys already know because we did this what if technique for 41 minutes or 45 minutes straight, like on live. But for everyone who missed it, I'm going to tell you in short how to use this technique. Okay. I think you have been using this technique already, but most people use it in a bad way. So, if you're new here, I'm Neha, aka your guardian angel, and I'm here to remove all the blocks between you and your desires to make you realize that all the blocks are actually in your mind. They are imaginary, they don't exist at all. So, what is this what if technique? It is so magical that just in few seconds, your mind would improve, right? What if it is like most people are thinking, what if it doesn't work? What if it doesn't arrive on time? What if I cannot manifest? What if I fail? Right? Instead of that, how about you start thinking in this direction? What if it works out? What if it happens very easily? What if it happens fast? What if you get a text message right now during this video? What if you get a call from your SP right now during this video? What if you get the money that you want this week? What if it works out? What if it is easier than you think? What if it is faster than you think? What if you get successful? What if you actually manifest everything that you want? What if all of your wishes become true? What if, right? So every human being has this what if thoughts, which are very natural, but it's up to you whether to think like, what if it doesn't work out? What if it fails and all the negative things? Or you think in this direction, like, what if it works out? What if he's actually obsessed with me? What if she's actually in love with me, right? What if they are actually dreaming about me? What if they want to text me right now? What if I get a text message right now? What if I get a call right now? What if I get a video call right now? Like I wrote like a bunch of things in my notebook during the live and I'm going to read it to you, like some of it, because it was like a lot. We all manifested together for like 40 or 45 minutes and it was magical. When I tell you it was magical. So I go live basically every month, like once every month. So please click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my lives. And also, like if you want to see any of my live recordings, they are all available under the membership. So here is my journal. Oh, that's my pen. And I'm going to read some of it to you. Oh, here is one. What if all of my desires come true this year? What if this is the best month ever? Right? Like this is February end. So March, let's say. What if March is my luckiest month ever? Whatever month you watch this video on. What if I get married very soon? Like I'm just going to read some of it. What if my skin becomes fair like Snow White? What if I get clear skin overnight? You can actually speed up your results by saying this, like this week, overnight. What if success is easy for me? What if love is easy for me? What if I get glowing skin overnight? What if I go viral on Instagram? What if everything goes my way? What if my hair becomes stronger? What if I'm always chosen? What if I'm always pampered? What if my parents love me unconditionally? What if my parents support me? What if I'm always on the right paths? What if my vision board comes true? You can literally manifest anything, anything, and everything. This is basically a form of affirmation, but it is also more of a mindset technique, more of like self awareness, mental diet. Because if you train your mind to think like this, you would be unstoppable. This is how celebrities think. This is how all the famous athletes think. Everyone who is successful, they have this type of confidence inside them that they are always thinking like this. What if everything works out? Like that is the only zone they are in. They are like, what if everything works out? What if I get famous overnight? What if my post goes viral? What if my video goes viral? What if I get money this week? What if I get clear skin overnight? Anything and everything like that. You can manifest literally anything and anyone. You can also manifest self concept. You can manifest confidence, focus, Anything. When I tell you anything, anything. So I want you to write down in the comment section right now, comment down below, what if everything goes my way? Because that's the best affirmation ever. What if everything goes my way? Because we are always concerned about, yeah, I'm manifesting, but hopefully it works out. I really hope it works out. I hope I get lucky this time. No, none of that. Okay. What if everything goes my way? Just try to think in that perspective. What if everything goes my way? What if I actually get my desired person? What if I actually get my desired person? What if I actually get my dream body just in 1 month? Okay. What if I get this amount of followers or this amount of subscribers in 1 week? So when you think like this, the whole game changes. The whole game changes. Trust me, just do it for 7 days and come back to this video. And I'm telling you, everything would become easy. Like we have been doing this robotic affirming challenge on our members only, like on level one, like Nehal's little angels. When I tell you we are having so much fun, like robotically affirming this one affirmation, it's just like that. You can take that challenge to yourself too, like for 7 days. What if everything goes my way? Just think that. That's it. You don't have to feel or believe or whatever. It's just like, what if everything goes my way? What if everything goes my way? Just try to think, what if everything goes my way? What if everything goes my way? Comment down below. Comment down below. And subscribe for more videos like this, because I'm going to come up with more and more and more magical videos like this. And I'm always manifesting for my subscribers. Know that. So everyone who's subscribed to me will see results very, very soon and always. This is why I get so many success stories, because everyone who subscribed to me will get successful. I know that because I'm always manifesting for you. I love you guys so much. If you want to work with me, I have one on one coaching links down below. I have so many rituals, meditations, affirmation tips, everything that you want down below. Some of them are like 1,100 rupees, some of them are like, $11. And all of those, like everything is available down below. I love you guys so much. I'm sending you the biggest hug ever. You guys are the loveliest people on the planet. Prettiest, loveliest, the most successful, the most loving people. I love you guys so, so, so much. I think I've said this like 5 times already. I know I took a break because I went to Thailand and then I went to Jammu and Kashmir. So I just have been like traveling here and there, and I just never got time to film anything. But I just went live yesterday and I had the most beautiful time ever. I will go live every time, every month, like once every month. And I try to tell you guys at least 30 minutes before I go live, but let's see. Okay. So, yeah, I'll see you in my next video very, very soon. Till then, happy manifesting.